So hello, in this video we will be unleashing the power of ChatGPT tips and tricks. We will explore some hidden gems and clever techniques to maximize your ChatGPT experience. Let's dive in. Tip 1. Mastering commands. Ever wished ChatGPT could perform tasks beyond regular conversation? Well, it can. Try using commands like translate, summarize, or generate code to unlock a world of possibilities. Tip 2. Context is key. ChatGPT thrives on context. Provide it with the relevant information to generate more accurate and personalized responses. The more context you give, the better it understands your queries. Tip 3. Fine tuning responses. Did you know you can influence the tone and style of ChatGPT response by adjusting the parameters like temperature, max token? You can tailor the conversation to suit your preferences. Tip 4. Custom prompts. Take control of the conversation by providing custom prompts. Whether you are brainstorming ideas or seeking advice, crafting specific prompts help ChatGPT understand your intentions better. Tip 5. Feedback loop. Engage in a feedback loop with ChatGPT to improve its response over time. By providing feedback on generated text, you contribute to its learning process, making future interactions even more seamless. Now, tip 6. Stay informed, stay updated with the latest features and enhancement in ChatGPT. Follow official channel and communities to learn about new tricks, update and best practices. And the last is tip 7, which says that with these tips and tricks up your sleeve, you are ready to unleash the full potential of ChatGPT. Experiment, explore, and enjoy the limitless possibilities of AI powered conversation ChatGPT.